upbeat, lively music playing. Welcome to Destination Dreaming. Today, we're taking you on a tour of Valencia, Spain, a city that's often hailed as one of the best places to live. From its stunning beaches and rich cultural heritage to its vibrant lifestyle and delicious cuisine, let's explore why Valencia is the perfect city to call home. Valencia is renowned for its beautiful beaches. With over 300 days of sunshine a year, residents can enjoy the Mediterranean coast almost year-round. Malvarrosa Beach and El Saler are local favorites for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Plus, the city's extensive parks, like Turia Gardens, provide ample space for jogging, cycling, and picnicking. Valencia is a city steeped in history and culture. Wander through the historic center and you'll find stunning Gothic and Renaissance architecture, such as the Valencia Cathedral and the Lonja de la Seda. Don't miss the futuristic City of Arts and Sciences, a cultural and architectural complex that's a must-visit. Museums, galleries, and theaters abound, offering endless opportunities to immerse yourself in art and history. The city's vibrant festivals are another highlight of living in Valencia. The most famous is Las Fallas, a UNESCO-recognized festival featuring spectacular parades, intricate sculptures, and dazzling fireworks. This lively celebration embodies the spirit and creativity of the Valencian people. Valencia is the birthplace of paella, and food lovers will find plenty to savor here. Enjoy authentic Paella Valenciana by the beach, or explore the city's many tapas bars and markets, like the bustling Mercado Central. Fresh seafood, local produce, and traditional dishes make dining in Valencia a delightful experience. One of the major advantages of living in Valencia is the affordable cost of living. Compared to other major Spanish cities like Madrid and Barcelona, Valencia offers more budget-friendly housing options without compromising on quality of life. From modern apartments to charming historic homes, there's something for everyone. Valencia boasts excellent infrastructure, making it easy to navigate and enjoy the city. The efficient public transportation system includes buses, trams, and a metro, all well-connected and reliable. Valencia is also one of the most bike-friendly cities in Spain, with extensive bike lanes and a popular bike-sharing program. The friendly community and relaxed lifestyle in Valencia make it an inviting place to live. The locals, known as Valencians, are warm and welcoming. The city's numerous outdoor cafes and lively plazas provide perfect spots to socialize and enjoy the Mediterranean way of life. With its stunning beaches, rich cultural heritage, delicious cuisine, and affordable living, it's no wonder Valencia is considered one of the best cities to live in. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a vibrant community, Valencia has it all. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Valencia, Spain. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Destination Dreaming for more travel and lifestyle inspiration.